Statistics have revealed that 80% of children are being diagnosed with cancer in Nigeria, coupled with the high volume of over 400,000 global cases of cancer. It has necessitated the Lions Club International, District 404B4 Region 3, to sensitize the general public on the awareness of discovery of early cancer. This sensitization took place on the 16th of September 2023 in the city of Lagos, despite the heavy downpour of the rains. The Lions Club renders their selfless service to humanity in line with the ethics of the Lions Club International, with door-to-door sensitization and awareness programs. The awareness program, led by the Region 3 chairperson Jeff Ordu, zonal members, including several presidents and executives of different Lions Club, kick-started exactly at 9:15 a.m. Nigerian time from Alakija bus stop to Mazamaza in Ward Satellite Town and Agboju Axis, all in Lagos State. The participants decried the prevalence of cancer, taking into cognizance people living with the deadly cancer ailment on a daily basis.
Yeah, it is part of the activities carried out in Lions Club, and this was actually informed by virtue of the fact that we discovered that cancer is not only for adults. Children also suffer cancer, and our ignorant parents may not know that, but it's actually a situation that, if handled on time for children, it could be addressed, it could be cured, so it's on the strength of that the Lions Club International set aside the month of September for childhood cancer awareness, just to create awareness that cancer also exists for children, for teens, not just for adults alone, but that it can be controlled if discovered on time.
Yes, we are part of the Lions Club International. Today is part of our activities, that's September activities, which is childhood cancer. You can see we came out immensely to tell our people in this locality that even a child can have a cancer, which means if the community cannot be aware of this cancer, the child will die. So we are carrying out this activity to tell them, to tell the community that childhood cancer is reality and it can kill a child. Not only the adult, but the child too has a cancer.
We choose cancer because we name it childhood cancer, because so many people does not believe that children do have cancer. They believe the cancer which they know, maybe prostate that was in a man as an adult, maybe breast cancer in a woman as an adult. But most times people didn't take cognizance about children. They didn't care about children. They don't know that children do have cancer. You understand? Because of the unavailability of information to them, we now decided that, okay, let us create this awareness so that parents will know that even a child of 1 month can have cancer.
In the same vein, the president of Lagos Diamond Heritage Lions Club, Oyin Francis Adegbite, emphasized the need for such a campaign due to the increase of cancer patients nationwide.
Different ailments. Why cancer?
Cancer is rampant now. That's why we came out to campaign, to create awareness about childhood cancer, because it's rampant now. So we have to create awareness so that people will know about it and know how to go about it. We are Lions from Region 3. In Region 3 is comprises of 5 Lions Club. As we are covering this area, we have some other region covering other places. No place is left uncovered, because this is our September activity, and for the month is cancer awareness. It's all over. It's an international club. As we are doing it here, others are doing in Festac. It's going on.
We are trying to create awareness because a lot of Nigerians are not aware that childhood cancer affects children. So our roadwork today is to create awareness, and we have achieved that because we saw the response from the members of this environment. They really appreciated it.
However, to actualize the core value and responsibilities of Lions Club District 404B4 Region 3, led by Lion Jeff Ordu, and other members, they seized the privilege to visit the Nigerian Navy Reference Hospital, Ojo Navy Town, Lagos. And there they were welcomed by the commander of the hospital as Lions members were taken to the oncology clinic to visit cancer patients who had accumulated bills which were paid instantly by the Region 3 members. Moving forward, they also visited the intensive care unit and several wards of the hospital. This also served to facilitate a bilateral relationship between the Lions Club International and the Nigerian Navy Hospital Medical Commander in Ojo, including the commander of the barracks. To this end, the medical commander extended his gratitude to the Lions Club International for considering the hospital among several hospitals in Lagos State. In Lagos, Jennifer Wilson reporting for Newsbuster TV.